Hey guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So basically in this video I am going to tell you about the oil rig attorney. So let's start our video. So here you see that oil rig explosion injury attorney in Houston. You see that oil rig explosion by Phoebe LeBron Copeland breaks. Here you see that book of reconciliation option is also provided. So basically if you want to contact you, then you have to provide your information such as your name, email, phone number. Here's yet welcome to Phoebe, LeBron, Copeland, and Big. A live, real person is available to talk at no obligation. How can we help you? Here's yet if you have to contact, then you have to submit your profile. Here's yet are you a new client? You have to provide your answer. Tell us about your case. Basically, we are learning here. Here's yet 100 plus years of legal experience in your corner. Oil rigs are notoriously dangerous and nobody understands the danger better than the workers who toil on rigs daily in and day out. Unfortunately, when any type of small problem develops on a rig, it can be difficult to contain the issue and prevent it from becoming a full-scale disaster. The type of materials and machines used on oil rigs are often combustible and are prone to exploding under the right conditions. Unfortunately, if someone fails to follow protocol or if a machine malfunctions or a rig is poorly maintained, everyone on and nearby the rig could be in danger. Here's yet if you or someone you love was harmed in an offshore oil rig explosion, make sure you know your legal rights. In a work-related injury, you could be eligible to receive compensation for the resulting damage, including loss of wages, medical bills, future medical expenses, and more. In order to find out if you have a claim, we encourage you to reach out to our firm as soon as possible. So basically, here's that a history of oil rig explosion is also providing here. And there have been several oil rig explosions over the years, from the enormous oil blowout on Pemex in 1979 to the recent explosion on the Petrobras rig off the coast of Brazil in 2015. These incidents are often the cause of detrimental oil spills, though they are commonly linked to mechanical issues, mechanism failures, gas leaks, and other similar problems. Here's oil rig injuries and potential damages. When an oil rig explodes, the fallout can be catastrophic because oil rigs sit offshore. Our rig workers could be exposed to dangerous debris and toxic fumes and harsh temperature when a fire breaks out or flare up take place. Potential injuries associated with oil rig explosions include spinal injuries, laceration, burn, head injuries, contusion, and electrocutions. So here's yet let Fabric, Libon, Copeland and Brig help you. Here's yet if you were harmed while working on an oil rig or if you were injured because you were in the nearby vicinity when a rig exploded, you could be eligible to receive compensation for the resulting damage. Oil rigs are notoriously dangerous, which is why rig owners must particularly attentive and should always uphold the latest in safety standards. Unfortunately, this does not always happen. As yet, oil companies sometimes cut corners to increase profit and may fail to install the latest safety equipment on the rigs for their workers. So, in such cases, the rig owner could be found liable for resulting damage. Were you injured in an offshore rig explosion in Texas? If you think you have a claim, or if someone you lost was fatally harmed in a rig explosion, you have a right to seek justice and compensation. So basically, this is all about the oil rig explosion in attorney. So if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching this video.